back to my channel. I hope you guys have been good. I hope you had a great productive week. As for me, I'm always busy because as you know, I'm a UK student now, so I'm at college. So for today's video guys, I'm going to show you how I do a DIY lip scrub at home. So you're basically just going to need 2 ingredients. Let me show you. Castor oil. I bought mine at Discount. You can buy it at any Clicks and at any Discount. And then you're going to need a small little bit of brown sugar. Then you're going to need some wipes to take it off afterwards, and then normal Vaseline. So guys, let's get into this video. I'm gonna show you what I have. Let me just show you how I set it up here. Okay guys, I'm going to show you how I make the mixture quickly. Like I said, you only need a small drop of brown sugar and a small drop of castor oil because it's only to exfoliate the lips. Okay guys, so let me just show you a close-up of how my lips look now. Let me just show you. Ooh, TMI. Now I'm going to apply the small bit of lip scrub. Let's see if this thing or this mixture will work, because I saw this on Instagram, so I thought, oh, this is a cool video idea, because especially females and men, we tend to have dry lips, or like because of we wear lipstick, we wear lip balms, we wear lip glosses, we wear these things every single day, and we will have dead skin cells on our lips everywhere. So we have to take care of our lips as well as we take care of our skin, our hair, and everything else. We have to take care of our lips, because excuse me, everybody looks at that. Everybody, especially the men. Oh my god. Let's apply. Okay, I'm going to use my finger, and then you rub it circular motions to increase blood flow. And then remember guys, this can become messy in the corners because this is where it tends to build up. Okay, now I'm going to wipe. Let's see if it works. I have, not sure if you guys can see, Rooibos facial wipes for all skin types, cleans and tones skin, removes waterproof makeup, alcohol and perfume free. So let's see if it works. Oh, ew. Okay guys, still sugar. My lips look a bit more pink, definitely a bit more pink. It feels softer. I can feel that the dead skin is gone because the sugar definitely plays in that part, and the castor oil is also good. Let's apply a little bit of Vaseline to see the after effect. Let me show you guys a close-up. Before, after. I definitely see a difference. I don't know, but the thing is, if you do it on a regular basis, then definitely you will see results. I'm sure of it, because we have product, lipstick, like I said, balms and glosses and everything that we use on a daily basis can create dead skin on our lips. That's why sometimes it's so dry. Like for us here in South Africa, we are heading towards autumn now. Next month, God willing, it will be autumn. Then you definitely need a DIY lip scrub, guys. This is it for this video. Stay tuned for my next one. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share my videos. And thank you very much to all the support. Like I say in all my videos, thank you to all the support. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to leave a comment, a like and a share. Until next time.